everyone.
I am Ezra Christine Ipil.
I'm Jermaine Chris Zerna.
And we are going to present to you our project entitled
FPGA-based water sensing digital alarm.
This project aims to build a prototype for a water sensing digital alarm clock using the DE2115 FPGA board and Verilog HDL. So we know that a digital alarm clock is a type of clock that lets you see the time digitally, as well as it alarms at a specific time set by the user. So this project is not just a typical digital alarm clock in which you stop the time manually, because this project lets you stop the time automatically whenever it detects no water in the user's system. So basically, the application of the FPGA-based water sensing digital alarm clock is not just solely to wake a person up from his sleep, but also to ensure that he practices a healthy lifestyle by drinking a glass of water every morning.
So this project aims to implement a water sensing digital alarm clock using the FPGA. These are the materials that were used. So this is the weight sensor kit 3 kilograms, along with the HX711 amplifier, the DE2115 Altera Cycle 4 FPGA board, and the piezo buzzer.
So first, place an empty glass above the weight sensor kit. This will indicate when the alarm clock will stop. Next, click the switch 17 up and down. This will record the weight of the empty glass. After weighing the empty glass in the weight sensor kit, suppose you already have a glass full of water, then after that we can already set the time in the FPGA board. Now going to set the clock. It's already 11:58 a.m. In setting the clock, you have to choose the mode clock set. So let's say 11:58. And then in setting the alarm, choose the mode alarm set. Let's say 11:59. So we are now going to wait until it alarms. So, what happens if we have no water in the glass? The alarm automatically stops. For us to be sure that it only stops alarming whenever the glass of water is empty, then we have to test it. So, you should first drink a little amount of water, and what happens is that it doesn't stop the alarm. So you have to drink again. And it still doesn't stop the alarm. But if the glass is empty, there, the alarm automatically stops.